Bruh. All right, let's get into this one. Um, so I was really thinking that we're looking at a kind of trading range within this bar, and on the very first bar, we broke out above it. Um, Kind of sick, honestly. It's pretty sick. On the 15 minute, we were kind of looking at, we had this strong bar down, strong buyback here. So we were really thinking, yeah, maybe there's going to be some type of trading range in this area. Maybe we have a two-part trading range, like one trading range here, and then the other trading range down here kind of thing. Then we had this inside bar and yet another inside bar. So and then yet another inside bar. Technically, this broke out above it a little bit, but kind of an I. Um, and it was possibly looking like maybe we were trying to put in maybe like a wedge kind of thing here, and then maybe kind of dump on the 5 minute time frame. Well, we kind of had this up area, and then we had this bar that pushed down, kind of like a low two sell setup. So I put an order in here to take a short underneath this bar, targeting at first obviously here, but for maybe like some partials, like small partials off, but really probably targeting a little bit lower kind of thing. Probably not all the way down here, but maybe into this region somewhere. That never triggered. We put in this bar next, and I didn't like the look of it, and so once we broke above this bar on this bar, I kind of removed the order. And then we have this, then that bar closes, the 15-minute bar closes. This one closes, and it closes pretty nice. For a lot of the bar, it was a red bar. So then it's really starting to look more like the, oh no, am I even talking? Hello? I'm not sure if I'm talking. I guess I am talking because I see the, okay. So yeah, we have this kind of triangle wedge looking situation. But this just looks pretty strong, like it wants to break out above here. So we get this big, strong bar. I didn't expect it to be this strong. I kind of expected maybe we'll go up to maybe 61 and then maybe kind of reject. I didn't expect that we'll push all the way through this range. And now we have this next bar opening and already breaking above all the way up to 61.6. So this is kind of, I don't know, I kind of want to say it's kind of a no trade zone kind of thing, because again, we're back at the top of this channel. We could very easily just see this kind of stall here, and then the next bar be like a small red inside bar, and then kind of roll over again. Wouldn't be unreasonable to have that happen. I suppose we could kind of do this thing of we put in one leg down, two legs down, confirmed on the third, and bounce back so strong that now we just start to go up. But I don't want to, I mean, I'm not going to commit to that just yet because we're still at the top of this kind of resistance area. And back to our trading range from earlier. We had this trading range earlier, and we're kind of somehow back into that region. We thought that we had this trading range down here. Possibly we are in a situation where we have an entire trading range down, all the way down here, and all the way out here. I kind of don't like that, right? I kind of prefer to have we have our one range over here, and then we have our second range up here. And kind of working to get out of it. So we kind of want to be trading this region within the range if we're going to be looking for shorts. And we kind of want to see some sort of bullish strength to get out of the range here if we want to take trades in the opposite direction. But we also have a 4-hour candle close, and it is strong green candle. Of course, with this ridiculously fat wick, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive bullish bars. So, you know, this could be we could be, you know, starting to push up to 63.5 region. So, going to be careful and going to be watching these 15-minute candles and see how we react to this region, because this is just so strong. I mean, this is so strong. This candle here is so strong, and we're having such great follow through on the subsequent candle that, like, I could see us just breaking up out of this range and just pushing, pushing, pushing to 63. Um, but yeah, I mean, if you're looking at this RSI or whatever, this was so strong on the down move that the RSI isn't so strong to come back up here. And we already put in quite a strong push up here to 80, which kind of double topped with this here, which is what? This, who cares? Um, yeah, already into 62s. I am not positioned for a trade. If I was going to get positioned, I would have gotten positioned here, and I probably would have been out by here or so. But because I was trying to flip my bias from the potential short that was forming here to, okay, are we really going to go? I didn't take the trade. That's okay. So we will see how this resolves. Keep watching these 15-minute candles, and of course, I'll be here every hour with the hourly candle, and yeah, see how that goes. I think there's probably a reasonable possibility that we do tap the 63 or 63.5 region, maybe put in a double top and then go down further. But like, I wouldn't say this is a bullish market necessarily at all. We do have this 1-2 down, and like this, I mean, when you look at it like this is like confirmation that the down move is over, right? Like, we were waiting, just like we were talking about earlier, we had this break of the trend line, and we were waiting for kind of a test of this low, and we didn't really get it. So now we've kind of gotten the test of the low, and it's held and broken upward with such strength that, yeah, I think we are taking a shot at the 63.5 region probably soon, as long as this doesn't, break down. And our daily candle is looking quite strong now. So we're going to have to see how this daily candle ends up closing in another 4 hours. Yeah, that's that for now.